Everyone, welcome to the channel CSRNet Life Science. And someone is comment for me that he need the syllabus of genetic and plant breeding. So this is the syllabus. Unit number 1 is General Genetic and Plant Breeding, in which included Mendelian inheritance, cell structure and division, linkage, its detection and estimation, epistatus, gene concept, allelism and fine structure of gene, extrachromosomal inheritance, DNA structure, function, replication and repair, genetic code, gene enzyme relationship, replication, transcription and translation, gene regulation in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, nuclear and cytoplasmic genome organization, spontaneous and induced mutation and their molecular mechanism, crop domestication, evolution of crop and centers of diversity, emergence of the scientific plant breeding, objective and accomplishment in plant breeding, and the role of National International Institute, gametogenesis and fertilization, modes of sexual and asexual reproduction and its relation to the plant breeding methodology, apomixis incompatibility and the male sterility system and their use in plant breeding. Unit number 2 is economic botany and the plant breeding method, origin, distribution, classification, description and botany of cereals, wheat, rice, maize, sorghum, pearl millets, minor millets, pulse included pigeon pea, chickpea, black gram, green gram, cowpea, soybean, pea, lentils, horse gram, leblab, rice bean, winged bean, lathyrus, lima bean. Oilseed include groundnut, sesame, castor, rapeseed, mustard, sunflower, niger, linseed, and fiber, sugar, crop, fodder and green manure. Breeding method for self-pollination, cross-pollinated and the clonical propagated crops, component recombination and the transdessive breeding, single seed descent, pollutions and their improvement method and maintenance, hybrid breeding and genetic basis of heterosis, ideotype breeding, mutation breeding. Unit number 3 is genome organization and cytogenetic of crop plant, chromosome structure, function and replication, recombination and crossing over, karyotype analysis, banding technique and in situ hybridization, special type of chromosome, chromosome interchange, inversion, duplication and deletion, polyploidy, haploid, aneuploid and their utility, wide hybridization and chromosomal manipulation for allele gene transfer, pre and post fertilization, barrier in wide hybridization, genome organization and cytogenetic of important kinds, wheat, rice, maize, brassica, cotton, vichna, potato and sugarcane, principle and procedure of genome analysis, cytogenetic technique for gene location and gene transfer, construction and use a molecular marker based chromosome map, comparative mapping and genome analysis. Unit number 4 is quantitative and biometrical genetic, quantitative character, multiple factor inheritance, genetic control of polygenic character, genetic advance and type of the selection and correlation response, Hardy-Weinberg law and linkage disequilibrium, genetic load, polymorphism, breeding value, heritability, response of selection, correlated response, estimation of variation component and covariance among relatives, mating design with random and inbreed parents, estimation of gene effect and combinability, effect of linkage, epistatus on estimation of genetic parameter, maternal effect, genotype, environment, interaction and stability of performance, heterosis and its basis, Mating system and mating design, dialyl and line X tester NC1, NC second and third designs approaches to estimate the exploit component of self and cross pollinated crop. Genotype X environment interaction stability analysis. Unit number 5 is genetic engineering and biotechnological tools in plant breeding. Somatic hybridization, micropropagation, soma clonal variation, in vitro mutagenesis, artificial synthesis of gene, genetic and molecular marker, generation of molecular marker and their application in genetic analysis and breeding, molecular marker in genetic diversity analysis and breeding for complex characters, gene tagging, QTL, mapping and marker aided selection, genome projector, and utilization of sequence formation vector DNA libraries, DNA fingerprinting, DNA sequencing, nucleic acid hybridization, immunochemical detection, chromosomal walking, recombinant DNA technology, gene cloning strategies, genetic transformation, and transgenic antiseptic RNAi, and the microRNA technique in crop improvement, plant breeding for the stress resistance and the nutritional quality, genetic basis of plant breeding for resistance and disease and insect pest breeding for the vertical and horizontal resistance to disease, genetic and physiological basis of the abiotic stress tolerance breeding for resistance to heat, frost, flood, drought, and soil stress. Important quality parameter in various crop, their genetic basis and breeding for these trait, role of micromolecular markers in stress resistance breeding, MAS, MAR, S and MABB. Unit number 7. Unit number 7 is genetic plant resources and regulatory system, varietal release and seed production, plant exploration, germplasm introduction, exchange, conversion, evaluation and utilization of plant genetic resources, convention of biological diversity, and international treaty on plant genetic resources of food and agriculture, intellectual property rights, Biodiversity Act, Plant Variety Protection and Farmers Act, system of variety release and notification, type of seed chain, and the production of certification, statistical method and a field plot technique, last unit, and which include frequency distribution, measurement of central tendency, probability or theory and its application in genetics, probability distribution and test of the significance, correlation, linear partial and the multiple regression, genetic divergence, multivariant analysis, design of experiment, basic principle, completely randomized design, randomized block system and split plot design, complete and incomplete block design, augmented design, grid and honeycomb design, hill plots, unreplicated evaluation, data collection and interpretation. So that is the syllabus of plant and genetic breeding. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel and share this channel. Thank you.